Well, good morning, Disney. I'm back. This is the first time I've been to Hollywood Studios before opening in quite some time. Gonna get on the line all the way to the right, reminiscent of Star Wars weekends. If you know, you know. 5 of 9. This is the line to get in. If you were coming to the park today just for this one day and just going to Hollywood Studios, it would be $159. If you bought a park hopper, it would be $223. 10 after 9, cluster bomb at the turnstiles. The folks behind me ranting on and on about how Universal is better than this. 20 after 9, they're now trying to organize folks into single lines and yelling at people that they're not in line when they never organized any lines to begin with. Alright, so 9:30. Finally making it in the park, Bo. Getting lined to get in a half an hour before park opens and get in the park a half an hour after park opens. In the Orlando theme park community, there's a lot of tribalism between Universal versus Disney, and I always sort of say there's pluses to both. We love both. But it honestly gets difficult to defend Disney over operations and things like this morning. Regardless of what apologists say, Disney has more than lost a step over the last 10 years. I'm gonna try to get on Tower of Terror if the line is not horrific. Alright, the wait time is saying 30 minutes now. And the line is all the way outside, so we'll skip this. I did pay for Genie Plus today. Heading back towards Rock and Roller Coaster. It's not operational today. So your $160 ticket today is not getting you on Rock and Roller Coaster, and right now it's not getting you on Rise of the Resistance because that's also down. As I walk back towards Tower of Terror to potentially get on, the line jumped up to 40 minutes, so we'll wait for later, maybe. And because my lightning lane is around 10:30, I can't book another lightning lane right now until 11 a.m. So we'll find something else fun to do. Runaway Railway is up to a 55-minute wait. I think I'll hit the old standby first. I still haven't been to all of the new destinations on Star Tours. And it's a 5-minute wait. It's a frap.
On Star Tours, you never miss a thing. Introducing the IC360 Intelligent Camera System.
Rex. Other Rex.
Honeymoon on Tatooine, have we? Well, you have a lovely trip.
You can find that all carry-ons must fit in the overhead compartment. I've just been informed that there are no overhead compartments. Well, carry on.
Alright, Star Tours round 2. I do love this ride, but everything else now has ballooned up to 45 minutes or greater. Tower of Terror is up to 70 minutes, and Slinky Dog is 90, as well as Toy Story Mania. Hello, Rex again. Hello, Rex again. So, I'm gonna get a little Mickey movie in here because it's starting to rain. I did go to different places in Star Tours, just one of the new locations, the Ahsoka destination. I've been there before, so nothing new to me. But the big thing, I'm here today to meet up with a friend that's in town. They have a lightning lane for a different attraction, so we're gonna get a beer and meet up in a little bit. Time for a little vacation fun, aka shelter from the rain and air conditioning. Oh, it's the photo ops for Potato Land. And it is pouring outside. Hooray. Well, we had a break for a moment at Baseline. Waited for the rain to go away. The rain went away. Had a beer with Norm. Walking back to Slinky Dog, and the rain is back. All right, the rain has stopped again. I have not been back on Slinky Dog. I want to say it probably at least 3 years. All right, I was hoping for the back, but of course I got the absolute front. We've got dogs lined up behind dogs here.
Here we go.
All right, well, that was a fun ride. I got stuck there at the end for like a good 15 minutes, just sitting. All right, so next lightning lane is not for another 2 hours. I did Tower of Terror. Standby for Swirling Saucers is 45 minutes. I'm gonna take the back door into Batu. That's the name of my new song. Magic shots are out here. Let's see what they got. Now on to Batu. Patrolling. So, back at the apartment. Norm and I are gonna play some PlayStation here.
Exactly right.
What the hell is an aluminum falcon?
Proceed with the imaging unit. Let's go. Hold. We are looking for a highly trained resistance spot. All right, move on. We better keep an eye on this one.
You can dispense with the pleasantries, Stormtrooper. I'm here to put you back on schedule.
Please remain calm. Thank you.
Not to use a cliche, but you are a little short to be a stormtrooper.
Well, there went your moment.
Head in the launch bay. They have posters up everywhere for Star Wars Acolyte. Chewie Invader, 25 minutes. All the Star Wars. All the Death Star. No stormtroopers allowed.
You're showing off some moves.
Oh, it's because I roasted him earlier.
Yeah. Well, I tried to get a little boy to show him some dance moves earlier, but he got nervous. I think Chewy's practicing.
Hello,
There
Chewie.
he is. There he is. Come on, man. Come on, man.
I think, I mean,
Don't let it go to your head.
the general definitely brushed me very well today.
Oh my God, he just gave you the one. Oh, what's that? Is this my friend Kyle? He's a good dude.
Do we get a hug too?
You're hanging in there? Man, your hair looks amazing. I see what you're doing, dude. I see what you're using like a sexual shampoo or oh my God.
Yep. Well.
Every day. Every day. I totally get it.
I don't have that problem anymore. You know?
Right down.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Come on.
Yeah.
I got some scraps.
He does some to spare.
Oh.
He sheds a lot.
Thank you.
You are not the first to resist. You will not be the last to relent. Is that so? We shall see.
Lord Vader.
Come forward.
Welcome.
Next to me.
Lord Vader.
As my apprentice, you will learn and command the power of the Force.
Yes, I
will
will.
you join me?
I will.
Very good. I will find you when it is time to begin your training.
I do have an impression of you I'd like to do. Is that possible?
Of course.
You can dispense with the pleasantries, Admiral. I'm here to put you back on schedule.
Your allegiance is reassuring. The Force is strong within you.
Oh, thank you.
But you have more to learn. True power flows from the dark side.
Oh, in the palm. Back to Star Tours. Look at all the dust. My goodness. Break out the Swifters. Rex. Another Rex. Again. Time for the best attraction at Hollywood Studios. Well, that was amazing. What's not amazing is this sky. Here they are. Come on, Chip, give me some. Yeah, all right, the rain is coming in. I'm gonna hit my lightning lane for a tower. It has been a long time since I've been on this ride. Look at this line. Whoa. The regular wait is up to 70 minutes now, 7-0. And we're here.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. We just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Seatbelts go from left to right only. Hold on to all your personal belongings and make sure there's nothing in between you and your seatbelts.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times.
Stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Well, it's been a while since I've been on that ride, but that is still hella fun. Unfortunately, the rain is back in full force. Stopping in the Star Wars store, and there is plenty of stuff left from the 25th anniversary, or May the 4th, including these Jar Jar hats. And now it's time to get out of here. Well, it's kind of a rainy, packed, humid weather type miserable day. But honestly, I ended up having a really awesome day. I think everything is made better when you haven't seen friends for a while and you get to catch up, spend a day at the park. I rode Star Tours 3 times. I never got the same scene twice. And I also got on 2 rides that I haven't been on in forever. I guess I'm gonna head home and wring out my socks and dry out my shoes. And for now, thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. See you guys.